What's the difference between Bitcoin and Ethereum? First up, Bitcoin, the original, the king of cryptocurrencies. Born in 2009, it's a decentralized peer-to-peer system that allows you to move value around the world without relying on intermediaries. This offers an alternative to the traditional method of using local and correspondent banks. Now, on to Ethereum. Launched in 2015, it's a blockchain platform powered by its native currency, Ether or ETH. Ethereum enables developers to create and launch decentralized applications, or DApps, and smart contracts without third-party interference. In summary, Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency with its very own blockchain, while Ethereum, driven by Ether, is a multifaceted blockchain platform supporting a host of digital tokens and projects.